Hello everybody, it's again time to go through the financial report of quarter 1 of 2025. Just a couple of days ago the quarter 1 was ended, so this is again time to go through it. So in this video I'm telling about the sponsorship that has been coming to Unbubble project and how I've been using it to implement new features, etc. How I've been using for the benefit of Unbubble project. So during this period, like as before, I have been not changing this ever. The pricing for sponsored work was 60 euros per hour, and how this sponsorship was benefiting the project is that I was getting these numbers of hours, 14, 15 and 13 hours of sponsorship for the project. And these numbers are how much I was actually developing Unbubble, and you see first January it is 23, then 8 and then 9 hours. So what can we see and what can we observe from this? Like maybe in the graphic form it is a bit more illustrative, but like as you see in 2024 the sponsorship has been decreasing like this. Sponsored hours blue bars, especially if we look at them, they are going down. They are not very significant ever, only in May, but now starting from January, February, March, they are significantly bigger than earlier. And in January I was able to do quite a lot of work for Unbubble, even more than was sponsored. I was implementing this Nextcloud support for Unbubble, and in February, March I was not even able to work that much because of what I have been saying it here. We have been moving with my wife in March, so February March period was quite like a busy time for me, so I was not able to do a lot of things for Unbubble. Although because I was getting some sponsorship, I was still wanting to do something, and I was doing a couple of features like this Nextcloud. I was finishing it, and I was also doing the custom icons feature. So observations, this increased support, as I have been saying already. I feel very blessed about this development, and I'm very happy to see that there are other people that are sharing the burden of Unbubble development with me, like financial burden or burden in general. I mean, I feel that we are working together to do this Unbubble, because I am not the only one that is donating my time for the project, but there are others that are also doing that through their financials. And as I said, these are the most significant features that were implemented: this Nextcloud support and these custom icons. I will make there is already a video about this Nextcloud support, which I will link here actually, and for this feature I am going to make a video soon. It is actually not yet released in production, so that's why we don't have any video also about that, but it is in beta already, so it can be tested. So like these are very positive things. Of course, the only if I can say negative thing is that like the goal that is for full working days is not yet reached, but if I am thinking about it for this quarter, I wouldn't be able to do that anyway because I was very busy with the moving. But apart from that, I am planning that I am able to work 4 full days per month for Unbible if I will have enough support for that. So, breakdown of tasks. I have been truncating these tables a little bit, I've been taking, this is now first of one full year of bars visible here. Also here I have been removing some old data, but from 2024 beginning I have the breakdown of tasks. So for this last quarter, maybe we look at this graphics, feature development. It is 3 out of 4, and only a little bit, 3 hours of support and 7 hours of maintenance work. Maintenance work is releasing and bug fixing, etc. This kind of things, but support, like I said, writing here, this special period was making me prioritize the feature development, and I didn't have time for almost anything during this time, so I was neglecting the support, and in fact people are still waiting for replies as I am writing this or recording this video. But I believe that this will be normalizing in next quarter. Although I must say that feature development is having priority, as I have, especially during this month, felt that that is what the sponsors want me to do the most. And I kind of sympathize with that, because it's nice to get new features and see things going on. But of course, I cannot neglect fixing bugs, etc. That's very important work also. Closing words. As I have been saying, I have been very happy to see that there are other people that want to share the burden of Unbible development with me, and that is especially pronounced in this period because of increased support that I have been receiving. So I want to thank you everybody. Thank you. Of course I want to give the foremost thanks to God, because He is able to do this thing in the first place, but also all sponsors that are making it possible to keep this application well maintained and supported, and also developing further. So thank you for watching this, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.